Hi everyone, this is your Monday video on March 1st. Can you believe it's March? I sure can't. All right, friends, so here is your reading log. You have this in your new folder. If you haven't had a chance to pick it up, I put it on here also. Okay, so the first one is either before today's reading or after you already read, make a prediction about what you think will happen next. This part is to visualize, okay? Um, it says visualize like a movie in your head what you think the main character looks like. Then this one is summarize today's reading in 4 sentences. Okay. Usually maybe the beginning, middle, and end. Today's reading reminds me of something in your life. Maybe it reminds you of a movie you saw or something that happened to you. And then here is setting characters, problem, and solution. I highly recommend you're reading your book report book. Okay. All right, next activity was math. Okay, so you all have this packet that we all worked on together today in class. Most of you got it done, and we did a lot of it in class today. So I'm going to just scroll down, take a picture of each page today. And here are the answers. I want all of you to check the answers when you're done and see if there's anything you need to go back and check. Okay, so I would definitely do that. Okay, so this one talks about, I'm just going to go through the answer key with you so you can go and look at it together. Okay, so we did this step by step, and what he did here, he broke apart the 6 into 3 and 3. He did 3 times 8, 3 times 8, and then he added them together right here. So down here, just say what he did. Okay, what he did, he broke apart the 6 into 3 and 3. He multiplied 3 times 8 and got 24, and then he doubled 24 to get 48. Down here, you're going to practice that same strategy. Break apart the 8 because you cannot break apart the 5 with doubling. So it's 4 and 4. Okay, so go ahead and try that. And this one is subtraction. We wrote this out the long way and we did the subtraction right here together in all 3 groups today. So hopefully you have that. Make sure you do your trade first. Okay, and we have 385 and 72. All right, for this one, you have to figure out the product or answer to each one of the pairs of multiplication, and then you circle the one with the highest answer. So 7 times 6 is 42, and 5 times 9 is 45. So 45 is bigger than 42, so I would circle that one. So you're going to do that with 3 times 8, 5 times 5, 8 times 8, and then 9 times 6. So which one's bigger out of these two, and then these two? Show a multiplication strategy that can be used to solve this fact. So I recommend drawing your rectangle and break apart the 6, just like over here. Just like the 6 here, and do the 3 and the 3. Okay, do that same strategy. Here's this one. If you have 42 party favors and you want to divide them equal in 7 bags, how many party favors do you put in each bag? Okay, so we chose P for party favors. And there are 7 bags. This one's the question, or you could write P in the box. And then how many party favors? There's 42. Then you have to write a multiplication and a division problem. So you should have 42 divided by 7 equals P. And then 7 times the P equals 42. What's left? You get 6 party favors. Down here, write the same number stories or number models with the answer. Okay. Here is one. Oh, Xavier and Violet solved this number sentence 5 times 4 plus 3 equals, I don't know. Xavier says the answer is 23 and Violet says the answer is 35. Who's correct? Okay, so don't forget to do what's in the parentheses. You need to do it first. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and then 5 times 7 is 35. So it looks like Violet is right. So that means she's correct and she used the parentheses. She remembered to use the parentheses first. Okay. So for this one, it says Camilla used the order of operations to solve this number sentence. Here's the order here if you need it. Okay. So it says 8 plus 2 times 7. Oh, I don't see parentheses, but I do see multiplying. You can make your own parentheses around there and do 2 times 7. That would be 14 plus 8 equals 22. And this is the steps. So you're just going to write down first what she do. She solved 2 times 7. Then she added 8 and got 22. Okay. I think, yep, and it takes you right back. I guess there's not an answer key for the challenge part. Okay, here's the one. Mr. Manning's class had 7 tables with 3 children at each table and a table with 5 children. How many children are in Mr. Manning's class? So I need you to um, draw each table. So draw 7 tables with 3 dots in each one for each kid, and then draw another table with 5 kids. Okay, and then you can do 7 times 3 plus the 5. And then down here, tell me what the 7 represents the 7 tables, the 3 represents the 3 children, and the plus 5 is that one extra table with the 5 kids at it. And then tell me what the answer is. Okay, and there you go. Here's your spelling, same bingo card you have every time we do spelling. Okay, and this week we have homophones. Okay, so we practiced homophones last week, and this week you're going to spell them. So I recommend you write sentences for each one this week, and I would even draw pictures for each one so you can really remember what these are for. Okay, and what they mean. So sale, this is like a 50% off sale at a store, and this sale is like the sale of a boat. Okay, this beat is vegetable. This beat is like maybe I beat a video game or I'm listening to the beat of the music. Okay. Road, like I rode a horse. This road is like I'm going to go down the road to my friend's house. This road is I'm rowing like a boat. Okay. And this 2 is the number 2. This 2 is like I'm going to go to the park with my friend too. Okay. This one is the 2, like I'm going to the store too. It means also. Oh, this one, I'm sorry, I got mixed up. This one is I'm going to throw the ball to my son. Okay. This one is it's. Okay. This one's kind of tricky because there's 2 it's. This one has an apostrophe and it's this one is showing like it is yours. Okay. It's paw, like the cat's paw. Okay. All right. And then we have your, like you are. Okay. Your over here, like that's your, like I'm going to go to your house. And see, like I see you. 16 is see, like ocean. There, like over there. 18, their house. And then 19, there again, like they are, like they're going to the movies. Peace, like peace on earth. And then piece, like a piece of cake. Okay. And then here is your mystery science. So if you needed to watch the video again, you go to page 2. So click on the mosquito. And then here's the link right here if you wanted to watch the videos. Okay. And then make sure you turn in your pages that you listen to all the interviews with all the people. And that gave us ideas on how to solve the mosquito issue. And then make sure you turn in the page where you drew or colored in what you wanted to do to that area to solve and your assessment. Okay. And this one, and you have till Friday to do this one. What book report project do you want to do? So let me know what it is and tell me why you want to do it. And then also make sure your book creators are done. I'm going to check them tonight and in the morning, and I will post the ones that I see that are done. All right, friends, don't forget to do extra math and Lexia. And if you're having any kind of iPad issues, I would definitely call the office. All right, bye.